So this question says, find the degree of the polynomial x minus 3xy minus 12 is equal to 5x squared y. Of course, the degree of a polynomial basically is the greatest power of any term in the polynomial. And if you look at it, how many terms do we have here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is polynomial in two variables basically. So now let's split it. So for x term, what is the greatest power? X is raised to power 1. So the degree is 1 here. Then the next one is what? Minus 3xy. So what is the degree of this polynomial? X is raised to power 1, y is raised to power 1. That will give us what? 1 plus 1, which is what? 2. Minus 3 is a constant, so it is not regarded as a degree. Then minus 12. The degree of minus 12 is 0, is a constant term in this case. It's not, so it's not going to be considered. Then we also have what? 5 what? X squared y. Right? Basically, the power of y is 1. All right? So the degree of this polynomial will now be what? 2 plus 1, which is equal to 3. So looking at this, the degree of the polynomial is equal to what? 3. Why? Because that is the greatest power of what? Of any term, right, in the polynomial. I want to believe this video has helped someone. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching my video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.